When can you feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands?
Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an important question. When can you feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands? This is a common query among expectant parents and caregivers, and understanding the timeline for feeling the fetal heartbeat is crucial during pregnancy. So, let's dive right in and explore this topic together.
Understanding the development of the fetal heartbeat.
To comprehend when you can feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands, it's essential to first understand the development of the fetal heartbeat. The heart begins to form in the early stages of pregnancy, around the 3rd week after conception. Initially, it's just a tube-like structure that gradually develops into a complex organ. By the 5th week of pregnancy, the heart starts beating, although it may not be detectable yet by touch. At this point, the heart rate is relatively high, ranging from about 100 to 130 beats per minute.
When can you feel the fetal heartbeat?
The ability to feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands depends on various factors, including the position of the fetus, the amount of amniotic fluid, and the experience of the person attempting to feel it. Typically, it is challenging to feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands during the first trimester. The fetus is still small, surrounded by layers of tissues and the amniotic fluid. As the pregnancy progresses into the 2nd trimester, around 18 to 20 weeks, it becomes more feasible to feel the fetal heartbeat through palpation. At this stage, the fetus has grown significantly, and the uterus rises above the pelvic bone, making the heartbeat more accessible to touch. It's important to note that feeling the fetal heartbeat can be quite subtle, especially for individuals without medical training. Even healthcare professionals sometimes rely on specialized equipment like a Doppler device or a stethoscope to accurately detect and listen to the fetal heartbeat.
How can you feel the fetal heartbeat?
To feel the fetal heartbeat, you can try a technique known as palpation. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water to ensure cleanliness. 2. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus. 3. Lie down on your back or sit in a comfortable position, whichever is more comfortable for you. 4. Apply a small amount of gentle pressure on your abdomen with your fingertips or the palm of your hand. 5. Move your fingers slowly and gently in different areas of your abdomen, feeling for a rhythmic pulsation or tapping sensation. 6. Be patient and persistent. It may take some time and practice to distinguish the fetal heartbeat from other movements or sensations. Remember, feeling the fetal heartbeat can be challenging, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for accurate monitoring and assessment of the fetal heart rate. In conclusion, feeling the fetal heartbeat with your hands is typically possible starting from the 2nd trimester, around 18 to 20 weeks of pregnancy. However, keep in mind that it can be a subtle sensation and may require practice and patience. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for accurate monitoring of the fetal heart rate and to address any concerns or questions you may have. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into when and how you can feel the fetal heartbeat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.